Hey everyone, WaterBus10 here back with another episode, guys, where today I'm going to be unboxing the new iPhone 12. Now I haven't seen this phone for myself, so this is my first time. So first the box says got slimmer. I think that's because they said they won't be including the power adapter and they won't be including the headphones. And you can buy those sold separately. So now I'm going to open the box. So, yeah, there you go. And there you go. I'm gonna open up. Oh. There is the iPhone 12. So guys, just before we get into the video, I just wanted to say that I'll be uploading another video about the cool features of the iPhone 12. So if you want to know these cool features, I know most of you want to do, make sure you you're on the lookout for that video, and I'll leave it in the description of this video when that video comes out. There is, I think they put this so it's not transparent anymore, it is well, it's white, so I'll leave that there. So in the box you get the Design by Apple California thing you always get, and now you get the adapter, which you didn't knowing the cable, but you don't get the adapter and the headphones in this one, which is kind of sad, as people who move on to iPhone 12 from Android don't have this Apple charger. So they're going to have to buy their own Apple charger. So now I'm going to take this off. And this is the screen. It is similar to the iPhone 11, except this one is thicker and everything's just way better. This goes for around £840. The Pro goes for around £999. If you buy from Apple, you can also buy from other shops like Sky, Vodafone, and stuff like that. So this phone is 128 GB, and it starts from 64 to 256. The Pro starts from 128 GB, and again two ways, 256. And 128. This phone is in the white finish, and see the back is still glass, and the camera is still from the iPhone 11. The screen has now been changed, so it's better with drop proof, so you won't smash it very easily. The camera, I told you, right? The camera has a lot more features. The iPhone 12 Pro has these it's like a better zoom. Also has night mode on this camera, and pretty much that is it. So guys, like usual iPhones, there is the ringer button, the volume button, the up and down. There's also the two speakers and the lightning charging port, and there is the power button, which turns the phone on and off. The camera is similar to the iPhone 11. If you want to see that video, I'll leave it in the description below. It has two lenses, and it also has a flash on it. So guys, this is a photo I took with the back lens of the phone of the iPhone 12 box. As you can see, the quality is very high, and it's exactly what it looks like in real life. So guys, there is the normal photo, there is the video which zooms it a bit, there is slow-mo which flashes it a lot, there is the time-lapse which makes it faster, there is also portrait mode, which is like for portraits. There's a bunch of natural light, studio lights, just like for portraits, there's a bunch of stage light, so there's like a bunch of options for you to take photos with. And this panorama is like one huge photo. You turn the phone around and then you get a long photo. first, about my phone. This phone is way thicker than the iPhone 11, and if you want to see my iPhone 11 video, I will leave the link to that in the description of this video. If you want to check out, if you want to buy the iPhone 11 now, I would still recommend that. But still, this is a really, it's kind of sad, but they don't actually include the adapter, because people like me, like, I have the adapter from my Apple iPad, which is not with me because I gave it in quite old. I have that, but people who are moved from Android to Apple and just come to iPhone 12 because they love it, they won't get the adapter as it only comes with the cable, and they won't have headphones either. So they're gonna have to go to online and buy them separately. And by the way, the cases are also very, very expensive. When I went to Apple Store today, about like an hour ago, these cases were £50 from £30 to about like £60-50. Thank you guys for watching this video on the iPhone 12. If you enjoyed the iPhone 12, I'm going to be putting another video about the cool features of the iPhone 12, so please don't miss that video, and I'll be talking about the cameras and how the Face ID, how it is to hold and everything. So thank you for watching the video guys, and I'll see you next one. Bye bye.